Hi, I'm Adam. How to create Chime bank account. First of all, open the Chime app on your phone and select sign up. It will ask you for your first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name and then click on next. On this section, it will ask you for your email address. Enter your email address and click on next. On this section, it will ask you for your date of birth. You have to enter your date of birth and you have to make sure you must be 18 years old or older to join Chime. And on this section, you have to enter your phone number and you have to make sure do not enter any virtual numbers or VoIP numbers because Chime do not accept those numbers. You have to make sure you have to enter your original phone number, or else Chime will not approve your account. Once you've entered your phone number, click on next, and then Chime will send you a one-time password on your phone. Copy the one-time password from your phone and you have to paste it on this section. Once you have entered the security code, you have to click on next, and then Chime will take some time to verify your details. And once verified, and you have successfully created Chime bank account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.